Hey everyone! Welcome to this new series where we explore the amazing world of robotics. If you've ever wondered how robots work, how they move, or even how to build one yourself, you're in the right place. Robotics is the science and engineering of designing, building, and programming machines that can perform tasks automatically, or even think on their own. But before we dive into building robots, let's start with the basics. What is a robot? What are the main components of a robot? And where are robots used in real life? Let's define it simply. A robot is a machine that can sense its environment, make decisions, and perform actions. In other words, it has a brain, senses, and a body. The brain, controller. This is the part that tells the robot what to do, usually a microcontroller like an Arduino or a Raspberry Pi. The senses, sensors. These help the robot understand the world, like distance sensors, cameras, temperature sensors, or microphones. The body, actuators. These are motors or servos that move the robot's arms, wheels, or other parts. All these parts work together, just like in humans. Your eyes are sensors, your muscles are actuators, and your brain is the controller. Robots are basically mechanical versions of us, but with fewer complaints. Robots are everywhere today. In factories assembling cars, in hospitals assisting doctors, in space exploring planets, and even in your home, like robotic vacuum cleaners. So, that's the big picture. Robotics combines mechanics, electronics, and programming. And in this series, we're going to learn all three step by step. Next time, we'll explore the main components of a robot in more detail. And I'll show you how to get started with your first robot project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you're excited to build your own robot. See you in the next one.